Anyways, we are out here at Hawkeye Downs in Cedar Rapids, Iowa for Scrapeyard Drift Day 1. Track's pretty sick. This is my first oval. Haven't driven an oval before, so we're going to see how that goes. There's two different layouts. So in the morning there's an easier, like lower power layout, and then in the afternoon it's kind of like quote-unquote FD layout where we like run a whole wall and stuff. I have a competition next week in Casey, so I'm definitely not going to try to push it towards the wall really hard, but other than that, I am super stoked to drive. Just got teched in, just ready to go, so.
All right, you're good.
apologize I didn't film an outro on this video. Basically what happened, I chucked it into the first corner as normal, went to clutch kick out of it, and then all I heard was just cluck, 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 like really bad. So at first I thought, well, shit, like there goes an axle or a diff. And then, I mean, I started driving around the track and it just drove fine. So I was confused. The guy that was in the car with me, I had a passenger, didn't know who he was, but he was also confused. He was like, well, that doesn't sound like anything bad, you know, and like it sounded fine when we were driving. So I went to clutch kick it again and it did the same noise. So I'm gonna overlay the clip of the entry. Ignore my dad's commentary. He thought I broke something more severe. But yeah, that's basically the end of the video. I'm gonna include that clip right now, but stay tuned for next weekend. So Saturday's a huge comp in KC, so should be a lot of good drivers out there. So hopefully the car will be dialed. Just gonna do some diff bushings, some solid diff bushings. I also ordered a diff brace. Don't know if that'll make it in time. So, but yeah, so that's basically it. I'll probably make a video on the diff bushings. I'm not 100% sure yet, but if I do make one and you see it, then you see it. But other than that, it was a great event today. I only did about 5 or 6 laps, but went through a set of 235 Kendas. Literally did 1 lap on 275 Kendas. So, and that's my first time actually driving on 275s, and they rip. I'll include that video also, but yeah, for sure. Excited for next weekend. Hopefully the car will be put back together and we get parts in time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Come on, what'd you do?
Nobody ever gonna challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday.